Hey everyone, welcome to Let's Talk Tech Tips. I'm JD, and this channel is all about helping you master AI tools, video editing software, and image creation tricks to level up your content. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Today, I'm going to be talking about custom thumbnails without verifying your YouTube channel. So many people first encounter an issue with their YouTube channel not being verified when they go to add a custom thumbnail. If you have more than 2 verified YouTube channels, then you will either need an additional phone number to verify your other channels, or you just have to make do without verifying your channel. For most people, getting a second phone is not possible, and unfortunately, there are no hacks to overcome this. The good news is that if you want to add a custom thumbnail and not one that has been auto-generated, then there is a hack to achieve that, and I'm going to show you in this video how to do it. So you will see on the screen here that my account has not been verified, so it is not letting me add a custom thumbnail. It's annoying because the thumbnail can be the difference between someone clicking on your video or not. Having the ability to custom design your thumbnail is really important. So what can we do? I will assume that you have already created a thumbnail. If you haven't, then you can check out my video on how to create one. I'll leave a link in the description. Now, I use CapCut to create my videos. When you drag your video onto the timeline in CapCut, you will notice there is an icon on the left of the timeline for you to add a cover. Click on this icon and CapCut will automatically take a screenshot from your video and display this as the thumbnail. There are a number of templates on the left, some of which are free to use, and you also have the option to insert your own design. Click on Replace and select the thumbnail file saved on your computer. Export the video, and now you can upload this video to YouTube. CapCut will add a watermark, but you can sign up for a free trial and remove the watermark whilst on the Pro plan. If you don't want to use CapCut, use another video editing program and just add the thumbnail image to the start of your video timeline. It only has to be visible for a second at the beginning. Now, when you go back into YouTube and have to choose a thumbnail, you still click on Auto Generate, but this time it should give you the choice of the thumbnail you added into your video. Simply select the thumbnail and finish uploading your video. That's it for today. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.